Hey, hello and welcome to a new travel video from Iceland. We started our day with a small, medium setback. The first thing we wanted to see was the amazing Stullagil Canyon. And we thought to take an F-road, but we came across a river that was too deep to cross without a snorkel at the car. So we had to drive back and make a huge detour. Iceland was so far an amazing country and really a trip to remember.
Oh, everywhere boxing.
We started our trip on the Golden Circle with some great Icelandic nature. We visited Hverir National Park, where we could walk between the two continental plates of Europe and America. Then we went to see the geyser and an amazing waterfall, Gullfoss.
This is huge. This is Iceland.
On the second day we went to the highlands of Iceland and saw the incredible Landmannalaugar. So far this is the most beautiful thing we have seen in Iceland. Then we started our road trip in the south with the big tourist magnets Seljalandsfoss, Skoggafoss, Sólheimasandur, Black Beach and Diamond Beach. But we will never forget the glacier walk. On the fifth day we drove from the very touristic south to the quiet east where we could see the beautiful waterfall Hengifoss. So today we are driving from the east to the north. We will visit Stullagil Canyon, the very smelly sulphur mud holes of Hverir.
The smell is terrible.
We are relaxing in the Myvatn Nature baths.
Oh my god, it stinks.
And close our day at the lava fields of Dimmuborgir. So we had to drive back to where we slept and then all the way to the lake. So that's a setback. We lost a lot of time now. We have arrived in Hverir. You could see the colorful mountains from a distance. But from the minute we stepped outside the car, the smell of sulfur was very, very strong. The kids did not want it to walk around the mud holes and walked it straight back to the car, where you can still smell the sulfur. My wife and I wanted to see this wonder of nature, but little did I know, that night I would be sick of inhaling the sulfur.
The smell is terrible. It's so beautiful, but the smell.
So, this is a very nice apartment. The day is not going as planned at all. So this morning you saw that we had to take a detour, so we're already late. And then, when we arrived at the really smelly area with the sulfur fields, it starts raining. When we are in the car, it really pours. And we were planning to go to the hot baths, Myvatn hot baths, but it's really expensive to do that. And it was raining a lot, so we were afraid that we will not be able to enjoy it so much. So we were thinking, okay, can we change something? Can we do it tomorrow? Can we do something now? But we looked at the area and everywhere it was raining. We have decided to come to the loft space here. It's a little apartment, a beautiful apartment. I think this is mainly my favorite yet. You guys?
Yeah.
Yeah? Favorite yet? We don't know what's coming. The first one was also nice. The interior is more beautiful, and with the horses it's really beautiful. And we do horseback riding in 2 days now here with these horses. I hope that's going to be fine. We are going to make some spaghetti. We're going to eat, and at 6 o'clock it will rain less, and then we go to Mivatn hot baths, and then go to Dimmuborgir lava field. So when it's not raining, then we can enjoy it more. We don't have to worry about the darkness, because there is no darkness. We have arrived at Myvatn Nature baths. I hope it will not smell as bad as this afternoon at sulfur, but
It smells good here.
it smells good, yes. Okay, and from now on I will film with my GoPro because it's all wet. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh, warm. Oh, hot. Oh, it stinks. But it feels nice. Oh my god, it stinks. Oh, the smell. Beautiful. It is so warm, very nice temperature. But the lower you get to the water, the more you smell the sulfur. But it feels strange on your skin. It feels so soft. It's like there's a body milk permanently on your skin. So it's really nice. And you see, it's not so crowded here. Look. There is one at Reykjavik. It's a Blue Lagoon, but you have to make a reservation at Blue Lagoon, otherwise you cannot get in. And it's more expensive too. So this one, Mivatn, is more to the north, and it's really nice. You don't have to make a reservation. It's open until 10 o'clock. 11?
On the door, it was from 10 in the morning till 11.
10 till 11,
And
wow.
on our book, it was from 10 to 10. So
10
I don't
to
know.
11. Okay, good. Now it's 7:45 that we are here. So the weather is already better. There's a little bit dark clouds there, but no problem. Blue there. Blue there. Blue. So if you are doing a tour in Iceland, maybe visit Mivatn because it's less crowded, less expensive. You can also order a drink there, like in Blue Lagoon. Maybe one difference between Blue Lagoon is in Blue Lagoon you get also something like a facial cream. I don't know if you see it here.
It feels nice. It
feels good. It feels smelly. Oh, how can you feel the?
Yeah, how can it feel smelly?
I feel smelly bits everywhere. You can feel it. That's a rock.
And was there a lobster over here?
A lobster biting my toes. That hurts me to look at her.
I like it here. It smells like center parks, but not almost.
Oh, that's a big glass.
The last one I have in here, so it's very good. Yep, very good.
White wine. Coke. What the hell? Another Coke. Another Coke. And for me, 7-Up. Free. I don't drink alcohol. Nearly never. That's the word. Nearly never. So in an occasion, I don't know why or when, or once a year maybe. Yeah. New Year maybe. Yeah. Then I drink
If he's
a
in a
glass.
good mood.
If I'm in a good mood, yeah.
Because he's sick
No.
afterwards.
Yeah, I'm sick afterwards, but yeah, I don't drink. So yeah, 7-Up. Do the moonwalk. So we have arrived at Dimmuborgir. What the hell are you doing?
I'm putting my shirt
Not you! Xante!
I was stuck in.
You were stuck?
Yes.
This is what we normally should do in the afternoon. And but it was raining a lot. So, and it would be a shame that we missed this beautiful lava field landscapes because it's so rainy. But if we wouldn't stay here close by, it was not that we have a choice, but now we have a choice. So we saw it was dry this evening, so it's already late now. It's like 10 p.m. Yeah, it's 10 p.m. now, and it's still, wait, okay, well, it's not sunny anymore, but it's dry. So 10 p.m., but we don't have to worry. It doesn't get dark, so we can do it now. And the wind has dropped. That's something we see nearly every time. The sun is coming up in the evening and the wind is dropping. So if you are camping, not if you have to stay in a guest house or in a hotel, you have to check in, you have to check out at some hours. But if you do camping, you can sleep during the day and visit during the night. So you skip all the crowds and then maybe you will have a better light because it's always golden hour to take pictures. It will be less crowded. So that's maybe a tip that you can do if you are traveling and staying in campings. What are you photographing, my love? The moss?
I think they have an obsession with moss.
Yes, I think it too. So now in the meantime, it's 11 p.m. So it's not getting dark. But it's beautiful here. It's really beautiful. The lava fields, you see. And even if you are driving through Iceland, you see all these rocks, all these fields all over Iceland. There's always a volcano erupting every year in Iceland, I think. So new fields are created, and like in 10 years or 15 years, if you come, there will be new things. Maybe there will be things that are destroyed, I don't know. But it's an island that's always evolving because of all the eruptions of the volcanoes. It's a really beautiful place here. It's a really mystic place. And I understand now why so many movies and series are recorded here. Because if you look at the series and movies that are a little bit mysterious,
Science fiction.
no, a little bit mysterious, yes, a little bit mysterious or a little bit of adventurous, yeah. Then you say, where the hell did they film that? That has to be created with the computer, with the green screen. Well, maybe they created a little bit more behind the scene, but this is really a vibe that you get from all these movies. So look at that. Every corner that you turn, it's always something new. I recommend Iceland to everybody, but if you want to have warm weather,
Then not.
but
You can wear a lot of layers.
you can get burnt. Look, look at I'm peeling. I'm peeling. That was for look at that. That was from the first day in Tingvi. Oh, look at now.
It's beautiful.
That was from the first day. Hverir and Geysir. I had to. I have to go to my bed. If we went to the first accommodation, I had so much pain in my head. I had a migraine attack, and I think it was because I was burned so much.
And notice, I have sunscreen.
Yes, but I
did.
I didn't know that. You didn't know it either.
After the first day, I knew.
Yeah, after. And
But you didn't use it as well.
But it wasn't stopped. The sun was stopped. It was just the first day that was so warm.
Yes.
After visiting Dimmuborgir, we got surprised by the weather again. The weather can turn here very quickly. Suddenly we were in the clouds, very misty. Iceland became more mysterious that evening.